You don't flinch. You don't raise your voice. You don't rush to fill silence or prove your point. You just sit there, still, unbothered, focused. And the more calm you are, the more they squirm, the more they second guess themselves, the more they can't figure you out. That's not weakness. That's not passivity. That's real control. And it's one of the most powerful things you can develop. Let's talk about what it takes to be that calm, the kind of calm that makes people uncomfortable because they're not used to it. Here's the truth. Most people are addicted to reaction. They poke, they push, they provoke, just to see if they can pull emotion out of you, because that's how they feel in control. So when you don't give them what they expect, when you stay quiet, composed, grounded, they panic. Why? Because calm people are unpredictable, unshakable, unreadable, and that makes people nervous. That's your advantage. Step 1, master your face. Your face gives away more than your words ever will. The eye roll, the smirk, the raised brow. Stop giving them signals to read. Neutral face, soft eyes, steady breathing. You're not hiding emotion. You're controlling your delivery. And when your face doesn't react, people start wondering what you're really thinking. They lean in. They overthink. They fill in the blanks you intentionally leave empty. That's power. Step 2, slow down everything. Your speech, your movement, your responses. Don't match their tempo. Drag them into yours. They speak fast. You pause. They get loud. You stay still. They try to rattle you. You breathe deeper. You control the emotional temperature of every room you enter by not matching chaos with chaos. And when you move slowly, you feel in control. They feel unsure, and they start adjusting to you. Step 3, don't fill silence. Own it. Most people rush to speak. They panic when there's a pause. They think silence is awkward. Cool. Let them squirm. You pause before you speak. You take your time. You hold eye contact with no words at all. Because silence is not weakness, it's confidence. And the person who can sit in silence the longest usually has the most power. Step 4, be calm in confrontation. Someone raises their voice at you, you lower yours. Someone insults you, you look them in the eye and say nothing. Someone tries to bait you into a reaction, you shrug and walk away. That level of calm is terrifying because it means you don't need to prove anything. You're not chasing approval. You're not afraid of rejection. You're secure. And people don't know what to do with someone they can't rattle. Final step, calm is not passive, it's calculated. Being calm doesn't mean you're soft. It means you know exactly who you are, and you don't need to put on a show. You don't react for entertainment. You don't explain for validation. You don't argue for control. You stay centered, grounded, focused. And that presence, that's what shifts rooms. That's what turns tension into curiosity. That's what makes people uncomfortable because they don't know whether to fear you or admire you. And the truth is, they'll probably do both. So here's the new standard. Be so calm, it makes people uncomfortable. So still they wonder what you're planning. So composed, they question their own behavior. So unbothered, it eats them alive. That's not detachment. That's discipline. Now, walk into the world like the storm isn't around you, it's inside you.